Okay, this is my fourth attempt at doing a voiceover on this video. So as you can see here, I'm working on taping the template together that I went over in the last video on how to print it out. So basically what I did is I took a little tote drawer, it's clear, I put a flashlight underneath it so you could kind of lay everything on top of it and see the lines. The way this template printed out has got a little bit of overlap on one, like the whole image doesn't print all the way to the edge of the paper where you can look through. You can kind of see it right there. I know it's going really fast, but you can kind of see it at the corners there where the paper does not have the image printed all the way to the edge. It looks like it, but that's just because the light's showing through. See, right there's a prime example right there at the tape. So anyways, once I got everything lined up, you get it all cut out, and I tried to make sure that I cut the neck template the best that I possibly could, because the neck is where the majority of all the guitar playability comes from, so you want to take the most time you can, obviously, to get the neck right. So right here I added the center line to it, and this is just adding up or making sure the center line is correct and making sure that neck profile was correct before I started transferring over to the MDF. So here I did not realize that everything I was doing was not in the shot, because that's how it goes. I just kind of do things, and then I go back and look at them after I've already done them all, and I'm like, wait a minute, that was not in the shot at all, but don't matter. So I'm transferring the templates over to the MDF, and here I'm lining up all the tuning machine peg holes there. So what I did was I drew the line through and then traced them over onto the other. Measuring here just to make sure all the cavity lines and everything is correct before I get to the point to where I'm ready to cut anything out. I always like to have the all the cavities on the guitar where they're going to, or the template where they're going to be, so when I go in and cut them out, I will have a good place to start where it comes to lining up templates and things. And there's Rainbow. Well, look at her. Just had to come and inspect everything. And as you can see, everything's laid out. I've got where the nut's going to go. And let's move on to cutting it out. I apologize for how loud that was. I forgot about that part. Why not?
Because I still have more.
Well, come out here and I'll try to help you. What else you got?
I got 20, 19 and 30. 19 and 20.
Gia has 43 more stickers than Jeff. Jeff has 49.
I wrote Gia and Jeff.
Okay, so Jeff has 49. Gia has 43. I'm always so animated when I'm trying to help her with things. So 49 minus 43.
No, 9 minus 3. 6.
Yep. What's 4 minus 4?
4 minus 4 is 0, so 6.
There you go. Yeah, but read it again there, big boy.
43 is...
Wait a minute. I read that wrong. Gia has 43 more stickers than Jeff. Jeff has 49.
But still the difference between.
So what's 43 and 49 together? How do you add 43 and 49? That's wrong. Scratch that out.
Wait,
43 plus 49.
Or what? I didn't have to scratch that out because all I did to the minus would be that.
Yeah, 43 plus 49.
I pull her hair to get her back on topic, I guess. I don't know why I did that.
9 plus 3.
12. You carry your 1.
Very good.
2. And then 1 plus 4 equals 5. And then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. 92.
92. Circle your answer. 92. So, you almost had it right. But you know now to do that. Okay, 20.
Okay, so that little moment was brought to you by she needed help with math and apparently was sent to me to get help with math. I don't know. No. Okay, right, so now we're back to using the bandsaw. Always make sure you wear the proper proper equipment, safety gear, because MDF is a very, very dusty material. You can see it at the base of the bandsaw there. That's from one cut. And here I am. It's funny. I'm telling you guys to make sure you wear the proper safety material, but as you can see in a minute, I'm clearly not wearing safety material. Oh, look. See, there was me without a dust mask on. But it's okay. Just do as I say, not as I do. As this part right here, as you can see, I kind of cut the bottom a little longer, or well, I guess a little farther out than what I needed to according to the template. I'll go over that here in a minute on the video as to why I did that, and I just wanted to kind of draw attention to that and make sure you noticed it. Always clean up your work area. And here I've just got some 220 grit sanding paper. I'm just trying to knock it down to get the cut lines off of it. And then I'm going to I go and switch the paper out in a minute, and I'm going to change it to a 60 grit sanding paper, and then that's when I take it down to the sand to the line. You can still see the line on there, so that's where I changed sandpaper. No, that's where I changed it. Sorry, yeah, that is where I changed it, and changed camera angles so you could see me sanding to the line. So what I was looking for there is you can kind of see through the sanding wheel, and if there is any kind of like a shadow or anything, or you can see through to the ground, then you know you have a gap. So I'm trying to eliminate that gap. And
All
now,
right, so we got everything cut out. I expanded the end of this just a pinch because the way this curve is, I don't know if you can see it. Let me line it up here. The way this curve is, it seemed like it was kind of short and truncated a little bit to me, because usually like this to this is a little bit longer. So I kind of expanded the bottom curve. I'm sure you can see that here. So the big reveal. That's what we're left with. The center line still lines up. I'm going to erase this line right here and drop the center line down to here. This is the side profile of the neck, obviously, and the top down profile of the neck. So, still got a little bit of sanding to do right there. You can see it's not exactly square right there. I'll probably have to hit that with the planer. Straighten that up right there a little bit, but that is how you make guitar templates out of MDF.
so I greatly appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment below. Hopefully the next I'll have an idea of how to do like a little more professional voiceover on the video. This is the only way I could get it to work for now, because for some reason
I was having difficulties. It was trying to record a 19-minute long voiceover when the video is only 9 minutes. So, like, comment, subscribe, make sure you follow, and I will catch you guys next time.